Assalam O Alikum and welcome in this another video. It's a vlog. I hope you are fine, good, cool and having chill. So, yo guys, I want to show you something very special for me.
And his name is Jaati.
This is my own play button that I made. So in this video I am gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you that how did I make this my own play button, and it looks very amazing and I just love it. I'm just gonna yes. So let's see how did I get all this stuff. I will show you all the things. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and see you for next video. Allah Hafiz. Please send me the picture of your play button if you are going to make your play button. Then on next video I will share all the pictures of you and your play button that really you also made that play button.